Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Addie and I do a lot of different videos on lifestyle and beauty. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna do a video on something that is luxury. So this is a bag that I bought in Paris and I wanted to go over all the details with you guys. I wanted to share with you guys the bag itself, pricing, what fits inside, and all the additional details that you might be looking for if you want to make an informed decision on whether or not you would like to purchase this bag. So let's get right into it. It comes in a very pretty sturdy box, and I love these Louis Vuitton boxes. For one, they're actually collapsible, so if you want to take the box with you on your travels just to store your bag or whatever it is, you can use it, which I think is absolutely great. It has this magnetic closure, and this is the inside. So it comes in this really pretty dust bag for storage, as you can see, so you can keep it away from dust and you could just keep it in here. I like to keep it in here, and I also like to keep it in the actual box itself just to prevent anything from getting on it. So this is the bag itself. Ta-da! Isn't this gorgeous? So it is such a pretty bag. I got the LV motif on it, and I wanted a black bag that not everyone is using. I know that a lot of people like the brown, but I tend to like black with the gold hardware and the gold detailing. And I just think it's so pretty, sleek, sophisticated, and it won't go out of style. So that's a couple of the reasons why I purchased this style of bag. So this is the Bagattele. I'm just gonna go over some of the product details from the Louis Vuitton website. It's made out of leather. It also has a felt interior. So when you open it, you can see the interior is extremely soft, which I absolutely love. It also has a flap on the inside. So if you needed to put any cards or anything that you like, you can put inside there. And I love that it's actually black on the inside, so if there's any staining or stuff like that, it's easier to hide. It has the gold hardware, as you can see. It also comes with this handle strap, but it also has another strap, which I absolutely love that it comes with two straps. So it's kind of like you're getting two bags in one. So this is the actual longer strap that it comes with. As you can see, it has a couple of different holes. It has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have it on the last hole here. And they are interchangeable, so you can just swap them out if you need to. Or you can put them together if you like to have both, but I typically will swap them out. And you just do this, you do it to the other side, and this is the longer strap for the bag. So this is how the bag looks with the longer strap. So I'm 5'5", and this is where it lands if it is on the last hole. So it lands right above the hip, which I actually really do like that it lands here because I feel like it's just easier to grab it and get whatever I need out of it. Now I want to show you guys how it looks with the shorter strap. So it does fit a lot, surprisingly, which I really like because I like to put a lot of things in my bags. I also tend to like smaller bags better than I do large bags just because I think they're easier and they're more convenient. So we're actually gonna put a few items to see what can actually fit so you guys can have a reference. So I have this small like Michael Kors wallet that I'm gonna put inside. I also have a hand sanitizer. I also have my little box that holds my multivitamins. I have a lip gloss. So as you can see, it does fit a whole lot, and I could put more stuff in it if I want to. So we're actually gonna zip her up. And that is zipped. So the cost of the bag itself is $2,500 on the Louis Vuitton website. When I got it from Paris, it was obviously cheaper because in Paris, it is cheaper to buy these products because they're made in Europe. So this bag in particular, it says that it was made in Spain. I know personally, I like to look at other videos when I'm purchasing bags because I want to see it. I want to see what fits inside the bag because I know that in pictures, things can be extremely deceiving. I also feel like it's gonna last a very long time, especially if you take care of it the way I like to take care of my handbags. So I usually just keep it in the dust bag, and then I put it in the box itself just to make sure that it doesn't get damaged. And I also keep it in a closet away from any sunlight. So my honest opinion about the bag, I think it's a very pretty bag. I think that it is a good timeless piece. I think it's also extremely versatile, so you can wear it day, you can also wear it night. The material is excellent. I can tell that it's gonna last me a very, very long time. Price-wise, it's obviously on the higher end. $2,500 is a lot to be spending on a bag. Don't get me wrong. I did spend less than that because I got it from Paris. So I do want to make a note of it, because I think if I did purchase it in the US, I probably wouldn't have, because it is expensive. But if you are considering getting the bag, I would definitely recommend it. And like I said, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.